Thank you for joining me for this brief rain practice of recognizing what is happening for you in the moment, the R, allowing and accepting, the A, investigating and noting the experience or what you need. So starting by settling in, you can have your eyes open or closed and take a moment to be aware of where you are seated, standing or lying. Just looking around to orient yourself. And then recognize what is your experience in this moment. It might be recognizing a thought or an emotion, bodily sensation. Let's notice or recognize your inner experience. And can you perhaps, with the recognizing, add the R of relax into this experience and acknowledging, accepting, allowing whatever this is to be here. Since you have no control over what thoughts pop into your head, and bodily sensations that arise, even the emotion, feeling. Accepting this, maybe a visual like a wave washing over you, a wave that will come and will go. You're not pushing this away or ignoring it, or distracting yourself or trying to do something about it. These are strategies, but for this practice, we're allowing what's here to be here. Your experience as it is, as it comes. And then after recognizing your inner experience, allowing, accepting it to be here, investigating with this scientific lens of having some curiosity about what's going on in my body right now. Just noticing as you investigate to see what arises in your awareness as you investigate. Where do I feel sensation most prominently? Can you let it come to you? Can you explore, investigate where this feeling originates in my body? Is it a pounding sensation, a pulsating sensation, tingling, tightness, something else? And where is it in my head, chest, arms, legs, torso? Being curious and interested as you investigate your experience as it arises and perhaps as it subsides or not. And then noting the experience. You might use a short phrase or a single word. It might be tightening, anxious, nervous, clenching, holding. then might become lessening, releasing, expanding. Just noticing as you note your experience with these words, follow it as it changes or doesn't change. And if you get distracted, come back, be curious and ask, what's going on in my body just now? And can I be with that? And finishing this noting practice, the noting of the experience, and then noting, what do I need? And if there is tightness or clenching, maybe there is a need for releasing, wriggling fingers, moving your body. Or maybe there's a need to move from the position you're in. You need to shake it out, to stomp, use your legs to get some fresh air, a glass of water, or give yourself a hug or a caring hand on your heart to pause a moment. Becoming more and more familiar with what you need and giving yourself that. As you finish the practice, take a moment for an appreciation for you, some gratitude for taking this time for practice, that you did this. Well done. I hope this practice serves you and you can come back to it. Wishing you a lovely day.